Are you an educator interested in understanding the secrets behind Finland's exceptional education system in person? Do you work in the educational field and interested in discovering why Finland's education system is consistently ranked among the best globally and how they use technology in their pedagogical practices? Or perhaps you're a school principal passionate about bringing positive educational change to your school? Welcome to TechClass Finnish Education Experience for educators. In this experience, you'll immerse yourself in Finland's renowned education system, celebrated for its commitment to student well-being, inclusivity, and lifelong learning through innovative pedagogical methods. This experience offers the unique opportunity to visit Finnish schools, interact directly with teachers and principals, and participate in specialized workshops designed specifically for educators. Whether your goal is to improve student engagement, empower your teaching staff, or drive educational reform, this is your opportunity to understand the principles behind Finland's educational achievements. Register now and visit Finnish schools to experience their world-class education system firsthand.